welcome to my very first video. So this channel is called Research Instrument Development. So what is research instrument development? Research instrument development refers to the process of creating tools that are used to collect data in research study. These tools are designed based on the research questions, objectives, and type of data needed. Examples include survey, questionnaire, interview, guides, observation checklists, and tests. Here are key steps of research instrument development. Number one is identify research objectives. Understand what the study wants to achieve. So number two, choose the type of instrument. Decide whether to use a survey, interview, test, checklist, etc. based on kind of data. Number three, draft the instrument. Write clear, concise, and unbiased questions or items. Make sure they are aligned with the research objective. Number 4, check validity and reliability. Validity ensures the instrument measures what is supposed to measure. Reliability ensures the instrument gives consistent result over time. So number 5, conduct a pilot test. Try the instrument on a small group to find out if there are confusing parts. Number 6, revise the instrument. Improve the tool based on feedback from the pilot test. Number 7, finalize the instrument. Make sure it's ready for use in the actual research. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video.